Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where mouse double clicks automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. See, it's not that the mouse double clicks automatically. I'll explain what happens. Now we need to double click a folder to open it or a file to open it. However, if we click on options and select this option at single click to open an item, click on apply and then on OK. A single click will open any folder or any application. And File Explorer, it's not only about File Explorer, it's throughout your computer. The File Explorer is simply the explorer. Actually, it applies to all files and applications on the computer, even on the desktop. Okay, so what can we do in this case? How can we fix this? Simple. Click on these three dots once again, select options, go to double click to open an item, click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.